Hey guys, how are you doing today? I'm Hugo from TechCornerTV, and today for you I have another mailbag. This is a very good mailbag. I have 5 oscilloscopes to unpack and 1 heat plate. So without further ado, let's start unpacking stuff. Let me just move this out of the way and we will start with these 2 because they are not they are not any of the previous articles that I mentioned. Well, this is well packed. I don't know even where to start to open this. Let me try here. Okay, one way or the other. So I'm considering to start reviewing also multimeters, and I decided to buy also for testing these reference capacitor boards. As you can see, you have several dip switches here to select the the capacitance. You have 1 microfarads, 100 microfarads, 10 microfarads and 1000 microfarads, and you can create several values using these dip switches. Yeah, this was about 16 euros with delivery, I think. It's not cheap, but it's very well built. I think it will be useful on my multimeter testing. I also have here some banana sockets for assembly on the board. Yeah, it seems okay. Let's move on and see what else we have here. This one, let me check. I don't remember right now what this is. Let me check. Okay. So one of the, let me try to open this. Okay, so we have here, what is this? Okay, let's see this. This is a storage switch, as you can see. Sorry, this is a dip switch, as you can see. It has 10 positions. I bought several. I want to use it on a few projects that I have. Well, stuff that I'm always experimenting. It doesn't mean that it's something commercial or something like that. But yeah, I want to test this. So I ordered the 10 units. I don't know, this was quite cheap. And arrived fast with the combined shipping from AliExpress. It didn't took too much to arrive. These small packets sometimes are a problem. Okay, let me just make a summary here. This is a collaboration. It was sent for review from Miniware. It's the heat plate, the MPH30. But I will start by opening all this package. All of them are oscilloscopes under $100. Some are 60, some are 70, and I decided to do a showdown with all of them. So let me start by opening this one and see what we have in here. Okay, let's open this and see what we have in here. It has a very nice package. It is well packed. Let's see. Yeah, nice. Let's see, what is this oscilloscope? Okay, so this is the FNIRSI. The model is the 5012H. We have here some products instructions, typical from FNIRSI, a small book with color and some information about the oscilloscope. We have a very nice bag for storage. Yeah, nice detail. And also this is the quality assurance seal. We have a mini or micro USB to USB Type A. It comes with one probe. This is the 6100 probe. It's the typical on these small oscilloscopes. And the unit that we have here. And let me say that I will not do the review right now, because this is for review on the electronics channel, so stay alert. And let's see how this device is. Well, it has a good feeling. It's rubber. We have here the power on, and this is the place to connect the cable for charging. It has this rubber cover, and the screen, it's already with some scratches. I don't see here a plastic, but I will see that better on the review. Let's power on just to see how it is. Okay, as you can see, it seems very good, to be honest. The keys are a little hard to press, but are on rubber, and they have yeah, maybe with the usage they are a little hard to press, but okay. We have the menu. We have a menu. Let me see. Show grid, auto. This is very similar to the previous models of FNIRSI that have a menu. We have save, trigger, modes, auto, and stop. Let me just take the menu out of the way. Auto, also auto set. And yeah, I will have to see later how this works. But yeah, it seems okay. Seems okay. This is about 50 euros or $60, more or less, depending on the promotions you get. For example, all this package I bought with some coupons from the AliExpress anniversary on last month, on 31, I think. So yeah, I got a pretty good discount between all of them. I think I got about 50 or 60 euros discount. Yeah, that's okay. And yeah, very nice. Let's move on. Okay, next one. Let's see what we have here. I have two oscilloscopes from FNIRSI and three from different brands. Okay, I have to be careful because I think I already, yeah, I made a cut in the, well, let's open by here. Okay, so this one seems to be also from FNIRSI. Let's see what we have here. The same bag. I don't know if it is or not. You will find out with me. But yeah, this is also from FNIRSI. This one brings a power supply. This is rubbish. This doesn't. But well, it might be enough to charge the oscilloscope, and also it is included, it's free. You also have this BNC to alligator clip, probe, cable, whatever, and also included a micro USB to USB Type A. As I showed you before, the power supply. We have the warranty, or not warranty, the product certification card, the quality certification. We have a user manual. This one seems much better than the previous manuals from FNIRSI. Yeah, it has a, well, it's better in general than the most of the FNIRSI manuals. Yeah, this is a evolution with some problem analysis and solutions and stuff like that. Let's see what we have in here. And yeah, how to test a crystal oscillator, how to test with a signal generator, household main. Yeah, very nice. It has some instructions, power ripple measurement. Okay, very nice. Okay, let's put this in here so we have more space to work. The device itself, let's see what we have in here. As you can see, today it's all about small oscilloscopes. Well, this has the same rubber protection. It has a signal generator. Well, it's not a signal generator, it's a signal output, square wave output for calibration, as you can see. And also we have the power inputs on the top, not on the bottom as the previous one, and the BNC connector. A nice detail, we have this to put the oscilloscope on the vertical position. This rubber protection is only on the sides. The power button, let's see what we have. Yeah, it's booting. Well, it seems very like the other one that I just showed you. It has this joystick to control. I like very much to control stuff with this, to be honest. It doesn't turn. Yeah, we should have a menu also. Yeah, we have a menu. It's a different kind of menu that the 5021H has. We can control the menu how? Okay, go to the top. Whoa, 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 whoa. It is crazy right now. Okay, you go up and on the top we change to the left and to the right. Okay, it seems easy to work. Some options like we have measurements. What else do we have? 50%. Yeah, okay. But this is only the first impressions. I will test this in terms of bandwidth and everything else, the quality, the accuracy of the measurements later on the workbench. Yeah, I'm happy with this right now, to be honest. They are, it's portable enough. The screen doesn't seem bad enough. Let's see what we have here later. Okay, let me just put this aside and let's move to the next one. So this is not FNIRSI. I already reviewed the two from FNIRSI. Let's see what we have here. I have here a KKMOON oscilloscopes, and this is one of that oscilloscopes. This is a multifunction, as they say. Those one is 100 megahertz and the other one is 110 megahertz, and this is 120 megahertz. So let's see what we have here. Let me open the box. Okay, it doesn't have that bag, but it comes in a protected bag also. Micro USB to USB Type A as usual. I don't know why, but yeah. The normal probe, it comes with a bag, and yeah, let me see. This is also, I think it doesn't say, but it seems to be the 16100 probe. Yeah, so well, it will be enough for this. Let me see if we have here some information about it. Yeah, it's not mentioned, but yeah, it should be the 100 megahertz, I think. I'm not sure because it's not mentioned on the probe. Yeah, but it's in the same series. Maybe because this is a 120 megahertz and they sent a 100 megahertz probe. I'm not sure, as I told you. And they didn't mention the probe. but I will test this with my Rigol 300 MHz probe to be sure and to be equal on all the testing. We have in here a user manual. It seems okay, well organized. Yeah, very good. It doesn't have color, but the information it's very good. We have here the keys and the symbols for the keys and whatever, everything else. Okay, so let's see the oscilloscope itself, what we have here. Let me take this out of the way and open to see what is the model, because I think I have here two KKMOON, or how you should say this, I don't know. Okay, let's open this bag. These protective bags are good, and a lot of times they have some trouble opening without damaging. Okay, this is another one that has the screen. No, but this one has plastic. Okay, so this is the KKMOON, not KKMOON, but KKMOON. It's the DSO 120M, so it's 120 megahertz. Unlike the FNIRSI that has that protective layer, protective cover in rubber, this one doesn't. It has only in here some rubber. All the rest is quite plastic. Yeah, it feels like, yeah, I will not say a cheap plastic, but almost. Let's power it on. Okay, here you have it. It seems okay. It has sound, yeah. I don't know if this is good or bad right now. Well, we have a menu. In terms of menus, it seems more advanced than the... How we turn this off, please? Let me turn this off. How we turn this off? I don't know if we can turn this off. We have in here generator out. I don't know if this will create a signal. Well, this will output a square wave. So it seems that we can choose the bandwidth of the signal from 1 kilohertz to 1 megahertz. That seems pretty nice, a square wave of 1 megahertz. We have also in here VPP, RMS. Well, this sound, it's a bit annoying, to be honest. One good detail that I already saw, we have here the battery indicator. I have to say I didn't notice if the other two have it. And yeah, the beep, it's a bit annoying, to be honest. We have auto function, only one channel. Yeah. We also have this support for vertical position. The construction of this one, it seems too much plastic, to be honest, cheap plastic. But on the other hand, the BIOS, the firmware, the software in here seems to be better. But after testing this on the workbench, I will say if it is in generally better or worse than the FNIRSI. Let's move on. Let me just take this out of the way and pass to the other one. One of these is 2 channels, and I think there is also in here something from KKMOON again. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, it comes in a box. Let's open this. Okay, this is well packed, also with a storage bag, much like the FNIRSI. Yeah, it seems almost... Let's open this and see what we have in here. Okay, so we have in here 3 RCAs to a jack, 3mm jack. I don't know yet what this is for. We have one of those supports that we stick in the back to put in a vertical position. Well, it's a solution. In here we should have the instruction manual or user manual. This seems photocopies. Let's see. Well, but yeah, we can read this. It's organized. What is the brand? Yeah, it doesn't have the brand anywhere. Yep. We have here several functions, index, how to calibrate horizontal system. Yeah, okay. It's the minimal we can expect from this. The usual 6100 probe, 100 megahertz, and let me see, this is also, oh no, this is USB Type-C to USB Type-A, okay, kudos. And let's see what we have in here. It's pretty small, only one channel, and we have on the top two outputs. Yeah, this one is for the signal generator. I don't know if it has a signal generator or if it is only the square wave, but well, by the symbol it seems to be the square wave. We have also yeah, this, I think this, well, we have this rubber protection, but it doesn't fit quite well. If you can see, this is already with effect. Look at here. Yeah, it's loose. I don't know why. It seems to have some glue, but it doesn't glue very well. Okay, moving on. On the bottom, we have here for connection to the connection, the Type-C connection for the cable, and also AV. I have to read the instructions to see what this can do. I think it can do something that those can't. Where do we power this up? Okay, I'm feeling stupid right now. Okay, power. Peak. In terms of screen, it's about the same of the other three that already passed in here. It's a much smaller unit. Yeah, much smaller. And okay, we have the place to stick here this adapter, or this, I don't know how to call it, but it will allow you to have it on the vertical. Well, I have to say, this is, well, this is a nonsense. Look at this. This, in first impressions, I don't know about the unit itself, but this rubber protection, it's a nonsense, totally. Okay, but we have the normal stuff. We have a menu also, as you can see, one channel. Okay. Yeah, it seems a nice unit. It seems a nice unit also. Well, the protection, I don't want to talk about it right now, but yeah. But the rest, in terms of firmware or software, it seems to work. Yeah. The operation mode, it's pretty similar to the FNIRSI 1C15. Up and down to move the menu, and this will move the cursor inside. Okay. Soft power on and soft power off, I believe. Yeah, this should, let me take this, let me see if I can shut it down. Okay, shut it down. Okay, that's it. Well, for first impressions, this cover seems pretty bad. It's rubber, it will not slide, but the quality, it's all loose already. I just opened this, and it doesn't come with a screen protection, but anyway. Okay, one more time I will store this away and we will continue right now. For then, let's do the last one. This one, by exclusion, it's 2 channels. Let me see what we have in here. Okay, let's open this. The box is pretty similar. Okay, in the box I can see already that we have 2 probes. I think those are also the 6100s. It's the standard for these oscilloscopes. Yeah, 6100. It comes with 2 probes. Nice. So, what else? We have also a cable like the previous one. A jack 3.5 to 3 RCA. Yeah, and yeah, this is from the same manufacturer. I don't know the brand. Yeah, it's a little bigger, to be honest. Also USB Type-C charging. And we have here a cable with alligator clips. We will see in a bit what is this for. And we have in here, I think this was sold as KKMOON DSO 2512G, but this is one of those equipments that are white label and all the brands sell it. So yeah, the manual, it's more same the one I just showed you. Okay, let's move on. And we have here the oscilloscope. This is bigger than the previous one. It has 2 channels. The cover seems to be much better than the previous one. It's rubber. This seems like a FNIRSI device, to be honest. I don't know if this was made by them or not, but they don't have this on the website. The system to power on is the same. On the bottom we have these sockets, yeah. Also the socket for charging, USB Type-C. Let's power this on. It seems to me that this is the biggest screen that's of the 5 I had in here. I might be wrong, but it seems bigger than the other ones. Yeah, just take a look. Yeah. Okay. In terms of menu, it's the same. Okay. We have in this one OK button to select. Okay, save. The keys are rubber, but in the same way of those are very easy to press. Yeah. The sound, it's dispensable. Can we take this out? Sounds on or off. We just need to go here and off, and we don't have sound anymore. Two language, yeah, Chinese and English. So yeah, not bad. I have to say that in terms of software, this will allow you to do already the XY mode because you have 2 channels, so it's possible. And I think it has some more treats in here. I will show you everything on the review. So if you are watching this first on Mailbag, stay alert because I will do one for a week in the following weeks. Okay, it seems nice. It's a little bigger than the FNIRSI devices, and yeah, but at least the rubber, it's not so good as the FNIRSI. I don't know why. It seems looser, but yeah, it's better than the 1-channel version. Let me just 50% and off. I want to off. Yeah, soft power off. And we are back to the last one. This one, as I told you in the beginning, it's a product sent for review. I didn't pay for this. It was sent by Miniware, and it's a small heat plate. Yeah, Miniware. I review already the DSO 212. They do products with a very nice detail, and they always seem to be premium. This is a very small heat plate, and on the review I will show you the advantage of having a small heat plate. But just look on the box. This is not the typical Chinese manufacturer. They will give you quality, and for me that's important. Just the box. Just take a look in this. Yeah, this always feels premium to me. And yeah, here it is, the box. Let me take this out of the way. Just take a look at this. Yeah, this is tiny, man. This is so small. We have in here, this part is the heater. We have in here let me just show you on the top camera, like this. We have the heater and the parts, the electronics on the bottom. Let me take this out. This is ceramics. It's 3x3, I think. It's very small, to be honest. Very small. But this has its advantage. I will not power this on right now, because after it will hit the plate, and I don't want to hit the plate right now. You have a very small information screen in here. Let me show you. Yeah, and yeah, it seems very cool, man. Miniware, as the name says, all the tools they have are in mini format. They have an ecosystem that it's very nice, and yeah, I'm pumped up to review this, because this is one of those devices that we look at him, it seems a toy, but it's not a toy, and it's pretty powerful to work with, and I will show you. So that's it. Let's see what else we have on the box. The cable, you see the attention to detail. You just saw me open 5 devices from Chinese manufacturers, and you don't see this on any of them. Well, that's it for today. I will review this item, I hope, this week. You will see this on Monday, but this item probably will have a video first if everything goes according to plan. So I must say, if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up if it was useful to you. And if you didn't subscribe yet, why not? Subscribe and hit that bell so you can be the first one to be notified every time I upload a new video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and being with me until the end. Stay safe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Cheers.